In this video, we are going to learn about the reaction of ether with concentrated hydroiodic acid or hydrobromic acid. So here, when ether is treated with concentrated Hi or HBr, that is HX, then we get an alcohol with alkyl halide. Let us see the mechanism of this chemical reaction. Our first step is this. From here, this oxygen atom picks up a proton from HX. Okay, and so we have R, O, R prime, H, and here we have plus, because this one carries a positive charge with X minus. Now in the next step, this is oxonium ion. Okay, so in the next step we have the cleavage of the oxonium ion by SN2 mechanism or SN1 mechanism. Now if our alkyl halide is primary, then SN2 mechanism is followed. X minus, R, O, here we have lone pair of electrons, H, R prime. Okay, if our alkyl halide is primary, then SN2 mechanism is followed. Okay, so we have R, X with an alcohol. This is alcohol, this is our alkyl halide. But then if our alkyl halide is a secondary or tertiary alkyl halide, then SN1 mechanism is followed. So we have our oxonium ion, SN1 mechanism is followed. So from here we have R plus, and then this R plus reacts with what? X minus to give an alkyl halide, and we get an alcohol, R prime OH. This is our alcohol, this is our alkyl halide. Suppose this one HX is added in excess. In such a case, this alcohol that is produced in the second step will be converted to an alkyl halide. In what way? That is, if you are adding excess of HX. So R prime OH plus HX. If you are adding HX in excess, then what do we get? We get an alkyl halide. For example, we have these two chemical reactions. Say diethyl ether. So here, suppose we add Hi to this diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Here, Hi is not in excess. So in such a case, we will get an alkyl halide, that is ethyl iodide with ethyl alcohol. Okay, according to this one. But now if you are adding Hi in excess, then you will have this one, the same one, diethyl ether with excess of Hi. Then what do we have? We have 2 moles of ethyl iodide. This is your ethyl iodide with H2O. Okay, so this is the reaction of ether with concentrated Hi or HBr.